What's good, y'all? What's good? What's good? It's your big homie, Big Bad A, man. And this is the Real Talk, Real Shit podcast. And really, to be honest with y'all, let me put it like this. I know what's going on. It took me many years of studying to get to where I'm at. It took me many years of living a certain lifestyle, many years of practicing certain things, many years of discipline, many years of it to get to the point of consciousness where I'm at right now. And what I know, what I see things for what they are. I don't see things from my perspective. I don't see things from an ego perspective. Because data and facts, it's got nothing to do with you. Data and facts is in statistics. And just seeing things, this plus this equals that, like simple mathematics and simple knowledge is irrefutable. I pretty much only deal in what's actual and factual and what's happening and what's occurring. The results of things, this plus this is that, I only see the shit for what it is. I have my own viewpoints on shit. I do have my own opinion on certain things when I'm trying to formulate a consensus about something. But generally, I only see it for what it is. And that comes from years and years of data and analytics and studying facts and just studying a lot, studying all viewpoints, not just the viewpoint that I want to seek out, not just the
in the land of the brave, in the land of the brave, we not going away, man, we here to stay. In the land of the brave, 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 we not going away, man, we here to stay. In the land of the brave, in the land of the brave, for real. I'm talking in your heart, I'm not talking about Atlanta. Children growing every day, gotta lead by example. If it's me, Casa, then you know it's Sue Casa. If you stuck in the middle, I'm talking to you, partner. It all sound good, but we need to do something. Pull your pants up, act like you knew something. They be trying to play hard, but they sweet just like a muffin. If you got a cold, then my flow like rubber tussin'. I appreciate it all, cause we started out with nothing. When you lose it all, that one thing will make you humble. I put all my faith in God, just to make it through the struggle, trying to pull us to the top, but we steady going. In the land of the brave, in the land of the brave, we not going away, man, we here to stay. In the land of the brave, 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 we not going away, man, we here to stay. In the land of the brave, in the land of the brave, for real.
Seeing and trying to visualize and see things that's going to keep me comfortable and happy. That's not what it's about, because the truth sometimes is very uncomfortable. And the truth sometimes is something that you have to deal with and stomach. You might find out you got some type of terminal illness. You might find out that your child that's coming is, it's plenty of truths and facts that aren't positive. Your baby could be born with some type of health.
When this road get rough, man, we gotta get through it. Time to hide this rapper out, it ain't nothing left to it. This beat make it move your feet, but I'm trying to start a movement. When they pass me the ball, dominate like Patrick Ewing. When this road get rough, man, we gotta get through it. Time to hide this rapper out, it ain't nothing left to it. This beat make it move your feet, but I'm trying to start a movement. When they pass me the ball, dominate like Patrick Ewing. Let's go. I'm trying to see the path, they keep cutting off the light. He threw his life away, all for a cup of Sprite. I see what's going on, I know something ain't right. Heart like Scarface first, and this can't be life. They tried to cut me off, but I just cut ties, trying to build this thing up, and they trying to take me down. When I hit the beat, you know I'ma break it down. I know it took a minute, bet they know by now. They laughed the whole time like they was watching Rush Hour. God, yards of separation, just throw the touchdown. Had his time at the top, well they out of luck now. First we was underrated, but we #1 now. Let's go.
You could have, like, it's plenty of things that are factual that aren't positive. You know, and good things are good too, but good is only to be cherished in the moment.
When this road get rough, man, we gotta get through it. Time to hottest rapper out, it ain't nothing left to it. This beat make you move your feet, but I'm trying to start a movement. When they pass me the ball, dominate like Patrick Ewing. When this road get rough, man, we gotta get through it. Time to hottest rapper out, it ain't nothing left to it. This beat make you move your feet, but I'm trying to start a movement. When they pass me the ball, dominate like Patrick Ewing. Let's go.
Positive things are only to be cherished in the moment because everything comes to an end in life. So if you're only cherishing and trying to hold on to comfortable things or things that make you happy, then you're gonna have momentary hits of dopamine, and you're not gonna really be ready for what life has to offer you, because life offers good and it offers bad, and all of it's needed to balance you out and get you to the next level of your consciousness, the next level of your life. So really, you got to embrace everything. I be trying to tell people that, they don't seem to understand that, and I don't understand people want to be comfortable and happy all the time. It's just that's a form of insanity, to always want to be one certain way. Because even me, you have to be balanced. Like, even when I'm studying, I take times where I just look at some stuff or I do things, you know, that are just goofy, and I'm really a goofy person in real life. Like, when I'm with my kids, I'm just very goofy, very entertaining, and very fun. We don't do nothing but laugh and have fun and be goofy. But when it's time to talk serious and time to talk as an adult, that's what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm saying? So we have to remember that we are adults. We are supposedly supposed to be the leaders of this time period. The older generation, the middle-aged to older generation, are supposed to be leading and guiding this time period in life right now. So you have to play your position, and a happy-go-lucky person can't and will never be ready for all experiences and anything to guide somebody through life, because, like I said, what happens when you wreck your car? What happens when your child breaks a bone? What happens when you have death in the family? This shit is stuff you gotta be ready for, you know?
If pushing peace was a crime, then I might just break the law. Can you keep the noise down? Bet stay across the hall. Take a look around, see the writing on the wall. They be trying to bring me down, don't have time for that at all. If pushing peace was a crime, then I might just break the law. Can you keep the noise down? Bet stay across the hall. If you take a look around, see the writing on the wall. They be trying to bring me down, don't have time for that at all. Let's go. Discouraging remarks, there they go. Oh my gosh, I really miss my mama's birthday coming up in March. I be coming from the soul, and them voices play a part. Gotta finish up strong, it don't matter how you start. They took me for a joke, they must think I'm Kevin Hart. They hate behind my back, but will speak like how you doing. Don't have your fun, cause them tables about to turn. Know it's going down around us, but we don't see that concern. When I hit the beat, it's like Usher, let it burn. I be ballin' in my city, man, I think I'm JC Horn. Got me the first time, we call that a lesson learned. Remember that respect is not given, it is earned. If let's go. Peace was a crime, then I might just break the law. Can you keep the noise down? Bet stay across the hall. take a look around, see the writing on the wall. They be trying to bring me down. Don't have time for that at all. If pushing peace was a crime, then I might just break the law. Can you keep the noise down? Let's stay across the hall. If you take a look around, see the writing on the wall. They be trying to bring me down. Don't have time for that at all. Let's go.
And a lot of people are prepared for life, and a lot of people are not. A lot of people are comfortable and satisfied. And it's like a pacifier. If that's what you choose to suck on the pacifier your whole life, then that's what's gonna happen. You know, you're gonna have that. You're not going to be ready for any type of turmoil or any type of hardship when it comes your way that could possibly make you stronger or better.
In the blink of an eye, man, everything changes. They heard what you got and it made them change stations. You only get stronger when you feel you can't make it. It's an uphill battle trying to make it out the basement. In the blink of an eye, man, everything changes. They heard what you got and it made them change stations. You only get stronger when you feel you can't make it. It's an uphill battle trying to make it out the basement to infinity and beyond. But there's not no Toy Story. Why we show up to the game and we not prepared for it? Catch you on the rebound, coming off the backboard. They heard your new tape and they pressing fast forward. If you looking for the truth, give you what you asked for. Before they went to sleep, didn't lock the back door. They asked me just in time, what you kill this track for? You can't keep up with the Jones, just make sure you got yours. The fortune and fame they put on the act for it. Give it everything I got, they ain't give me jack for it. But I want it that way, like the Backstreet Boys. I can't even hear them haters cause it's background noise. In the blink of an eye, man, everything changes. They heard what you got and it made them change stations. You only get stronger when you feel you can't make it. It's an uphill battle trying to make it out the basement. In the blink of an eye, man, everything changes. They heard what you got and it made them change stations. You only get stronger when you feel you can't make it. It's an uphill battle trying to make it out the basement. Come on.
Or just something you have to deal with. You get what I'm saying? So I had to break that down because I was having deep conversations with somebody that I love, and people don't understand that reality is reality. So, boom. I feel like we gotta do. Well, and the sad part about it is, in this world, you can do what you want to do, type shit. But there's people who God runs, and then there's people who the devil runs, and then there's people who are kind of neutral. Depending on the things that you do with your life, the things you participate in, your daily actions, that seals your overall fate. So if you constantly participate in positive things or good deeds and good things, then you could be a good addition to the world. You could be a positive addition to the world. But if you deal with evil things, if you're constantly doing, even if it's subconsciously doing things that are wrong or against others or harmful to others or can affect others in a harmful way, or even being a negative role model, even all those type of things are like negative tally marks on your soul, and that depicts where you go in the afterlife. And it's not a heaven or hell type of thing, like, or even in the current, even in life, if you do things that are wrong and you harm people and you get stuff, you get punished, and you can get punished in this life too. You go to jail, you can get beat up, you can get ostracized out the community, you can get banished, it's a lot of things that can happen in this time, in this life too. So it's not all about just living for a reward in the end, in the afterlife. It's also about receiving the blessings that you're supposed to receive on this planet in this current life, and having the best quality of life that you could have. You know what I'm saying? So I've always been compelled to help, to heal. I've always been compelled to be like that.